Vroom, vroom.
Oh, a dump truck.
All right.
It's just like the one he has for
Different color scheme though.
Yeah.
That's good. That's right. Vroom, vroom. Hey, what else is in there?
Okay, Ty, what else is in the box? Oh.
Wow.
That's funny.
Look at that.
Mushy belly chatter. Squeeze, please.
Did you hear that funny frog?
Dada.
Yeah. Quack, quack. That's the duck.
Hey, Ty, watch. Do you want to make him say it? You want to squeeze him? Squeeze his tummy. Push on his tummy. Push.
You did that. Yeah, push again.
Yeah,
push hard.
Push down.
Okay.
Down on his tummy.
Down
on
here.
his tummy.
Down
right
here.
Push there. From Takayama. Kristen, can you make a mobile from these?
Oh.
Wait, tie.
Wow.
Ah!
Yeah, those have to go up in the air where you can't reach them.
Yeah,
It'll hurt them.
definitely.
Ty, is there anything else in there? Let's look. Let's look. What else is in this package? Come here, Ty. Ty, are you going to get your new trucks? Okay. Ty, look. There's more in the package.
Ty, what's this?
Ty, what do you see?
Oh, look!
Look.
It goes in the bathtub. You have a new bath toy.
Oh boy. Yeah, look at that.
Yay. Still more. Oh, there's something for Daddy.
Excellent. Oh, there's some books for you, Ty.
Minerva Louise and the Colorful Eggs.
And the last thing, look, Ty. Look, more bath toys. Look, fishies.
Yay.
Fish. There you go. For Ty.
Thanks, Grandma.
Yeah. Ty, can you say thank you? Ty, say thank you. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Maybe we haven't done that enough recently.
No.
Yeah, awesome fish. Fish. Squirties. Oh boy.
Fish.
Yeah, fish. More? You want me to open it? Okay.
Kind of stuck together, aren't they? Ooh. There we go. There's one.
Yeah, fish.
Hey, Ty. Fish face.
Ty, can you make a fish face?
Ty.
Can you make a fish face? That's like what a fish does, okay.
Oh, this one.
Whoa.
Alright. Hey, Ty.
Ty, look, here's another crazy fish. Whoa.
Do fish
Okay.
face.
Bye-bye.